I wanna sing like Madonna. I wanna dance like a queen. I want to look at the stars. I want them looking at me. I wanna live in a house by the water. I wanna have one son and 16 daughters. I wanna sing like Madonna.
Hi folks, Jim and Chewy here with the all-new 2025 Passport Classic. 264 BH, new models, solar on the roof still, heated underbelly. You're going to love it. Look at how many people you can sleep in this. You have the queen walk-around bed. You got the new bunks in the back that lift up so you can put all kinds of stuff in. Bikes, put the dog kennels, have a great time. Nice U-shaped dinette, and adults can sleep on it. The couch is a scissor couch. So that one here will let you have storage underneath and lay down into a bed. So you've got 10-person capacity here, depending upon height. Hey, and then come in and see Jim and Chewy at Bobby Combs in Coeur d'Alene. We'll show you all the new Passports, great new colors. And again, we've got a fantastic Labor Day sale going on. Let's take advantage of it. Come in and see Jim and Chewy. Have a great day.